How to delete LinkedIn account permanently. If you wish to delete your LinkedIn account permanently, just launch the LinkedIn application on your device and make sure that you are logged in to the correct account that you wish to delete. Tap on the profile icon located from the top left of the screen over here, and simply from the bottom select the option called Settings. So from here, go to the option that says Account Preferences and tap on it. From Account Preferences, just scroll down to the bottom, and under Account Management you can see the option Close and Delete Account. Just make sure to tap on it and tap on the Continue button. Select your reason as to why you want to close your account, then tap the next option. Finally, just confirm with your password by typing in your password and tap the Done button, and your LinkedIn account will be permanently deleted. That way you can permanently delete your LinkedIn account. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.